What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem called Bluetooth is not found or Bluetooth is not showing or Bluetooth service is missing. So first of all, you have to check if the Bluetooth service is available or not. If the service is not available, this tutorial is going to be very helpful for you and this is gonna be work for you. Okay, so first of all, we are gonna check if our Bluetooth service is available or not. So we have to click on this start icon and then we have to search Bluetooth. So if you can see any kind of services like this, then your Bluetooth service is available in your PC. And if you are not seeing this type of option, then you have to follow my steps. So first of all, you have to search again by clicking on start icon here, troubleshooting. And here you can see an option called troubleshoot settings. You have to open it and then you have to click on this option called additional troubleshooters. And here you will see many options. You have to choose this option called Bluetooth. Okay. And then you have to click on run the troubleshooter. And then you will see a pop-up called detecting problems and it will take some times, and if there are any issues related to your Bluetooth service, then it's gonna be fixed. And here you can see that check Bluetooth radio status fixed, and now you have to close the troubleshooter and you have to restart your PC to solve the problem. So that's it. You can see that there is a Bluetooth service icon here. And I have a second method. If this problem is not working for you, then you have to follow the second step, and that's you have to install the Bluetooth driver in your PC. And to do that, you have to search it from your Google Chrome browser or any other browsers. And now you have to search on the search bar Intel Bluetooth driver, and here you will see many options. You have to choose the first one, and here you can see many options to download here, and you have to match your device according to your downloading option. There can be differences between a bit. If you are using a PC of 64-bit, then you have to download this one, and if you are using 32-bit PC, then you have to choose this one, and make sure that you have selected the latest one. Okay, so I have selected the latest one, and now you have to click on download button. They will ask for accept the terms of their license agreement. You have to click on this I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then the download is gonna be started, and it will take some time to be downloaded the full file. And then you have to click on open, and now you have to provide the permission, and then they will ask us to install the service or upgrade the service. You have to click on yes button and next button. It will take some times. You have to again click on I accept, next button, and you have to select this option complete, and now you have to click on install button, and then our Bluetooth driver is gonna be installed in our PC successfully. Okay, and after this we have to restart our PC. Okay, so they are asking to restart our PC. I'm clicking on no button because I already have the Bluetooth option here. So you have to restart your PC after installing this driver. So I think this solution is gonna be work for you. And if also this problem is not gonna solve for you with this second step, then I have another solution for you, and that's pretty simple. To do that, we have to click on start button again, and now we have to search on the search bar information, system information. Okay, so we have to open it, and here we'll see many options and many information about our PC. We have to see the option called system model. Here you can see the model of my system is MS7018. If you're using a laptop or PC, you can also see the name of your system model. So normally you have to copy this or you have to remember it. I am copying it by pressing Ctrl plus C. You can remember it to type in your browser for next time. Okay, so I'm gonna visit, I am pasting it, and after pasting this you have to type Bluetooth driver, and here you will get drivers of your desired motherboard or laptops, and they will provide you the actual driver for your laptop or PC. So you have to choose the correct website for your laptop or PC. Here I am choosing this option, and here if you scroll down, then you will find options of Bluetooth. Here we can see that Bluetooth drivers are available here. So if you are using a Windows 10 of 64-bit, we have to download this one. We can choose the date or other choices, but I am choosing this option. We have to click on download button, and they are asking to fill the captcha 6363, and I'm clicking again on download button. Then the download is gonna be started again. And yes, after downloading it, we have to click again start button, and then we have to install it completely. And after installing it, we have to restart our PC again, and then our problem is gonna be fixed, inshallah. So that's all about today's video, and thank you for watching. And I think your problem is gonna be fixed. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also requesting to subscribe to our channel. So if you're also facing many problems or this related problems, again, don't feel shy to comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox.